In this video, we're going to talk about rehire dates for your employee screen. So it's absolutely typical that companies will rehire the same employees, maybe on seasonal basis or something like that. And if you look at the employee setup screen, you don't see a field here for rehire date. So if that is something that you need to track, what you can do is go to the platform services module. You will need to be at top level to access platform services and click into your custom fields. If you have the little plus button, click add. If you don't have the plus button, you don't have permission to add a custom field, and you'll need to get an administrator to help you with that. On your object to extend, you're going to go to employee, because that's where we want to put the custom field. Click next. There are a bunch of different options here for what data type you want to select. I'm going to pick date. I'm going to label it rehire date, nice and simple. The field pre-fills from the label. I'm going to default it to today's date. And then here I'm going to say on the tab I want it to appear is employee information. There are no sections within that tab, so I'm going to save that and go back to time and expense, click into my employees. And now if I edit on Robert Jones, I should see my rehire date. Here it is. So if I click on that, then it defaults to today, but you can put in obviously whatever date that person was rehired as of. And then you would save. So custom fields in platform services, absolutely excellent to be able to put them there. They're available across the system. You can put them on a bunch of different areas, and they are unlimited within the system also. So that is how you would add a rehire date to your employee setup screen.